It's a beautiful day, amazing people of the universe.
This is Will Berry, and welcome to my channel!
Happy Monday mga palangga! Today, we will be unboxing my new pair of Vans. Naka 50 off na naman tayo mga palangga. Please don't forget to follow for more! This is a collaboration with Vans and ᴘᴜʀʟɪᴜᴜ. ᴘᴜᴜᴜ is a Chinese brand mga palangga. This is their Vans Old School Year of the Pig collection. Such a nice colorway. It came along with 2 sets of shoelace mga palangga, one in pink and 1 sets for black. And not just that, yung stripe nito mga palangga came in a 2 set also. It came both pink and black at the same time. If you notice, ang stripe nito mga palangga is magic tape. Meaning, pwede natin siyang ma-change depende sa mood natin. And of course, a free Vans sticker. Makapalang sole nito mga palangga. And if you notice yung sa likod, yung Vans na logo is very bold. This is in reference sa theme nila na The Fat Year. Let's try to change the stripe from pink to black. See? I told you, there's a magic. I so like it. The best. Yay! Time to change the shoelace mga palangga. I opt to use the one in pink. If you notice mga palangga, makapal to. And sobrang nagbibigay ito ng ibang look sa sneakers natin. Got mine at Glorietta mga palangga, sa store mismo ng Vans. You may go ahead and check their website or visit the store near you. This is the best time to purchase your favorite cakes mga palangga. Consider the 50% off! Sa gaya ko na mahilig sa sapatos, the price, considering it's classic, it's old school, and it's Vans, sobrang worth it. Value for money is triple check for me. That's it. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.